Hi everyone, I'm Shruti and I'm a digital marketer trainer. Hi everyone, I'm Shruti and I'm a digital marketer with 5 years of industry experience and a content strategist as well. So in today's video, I'm reviewing the WsCube Tech digital marketing course, a program that's been gaining traction and is especially among the students and freelancers who are looking for affordable and the practical learning. But before I talk about the digital marketing course, I would like to talk about the digital marketing field itself because it's such a broader field with opportunities in social media, SEO, content writing, Google Ads, email marketing, website optimization, and more. And beyond the technical skills, companies will look at your communication, analytical ability, creativity, and of course, your portfolio, right? So, if I talk about the ad agencies especially, then they love the creative minds. So, any course should not only teach you the tools, but it also should help you in building your mindset. So, the thing is, you don't need to know everything, but you just need to be right at one or two focused areas, and you're good to go. The course which I personally recommend is linked in my description box. Just don't forget to check it out and compare it with another courses because it's the one which provides the 100% money back guarantee and the 100% placement guarantee as well. So let's find out if it is really worth for your time and money. So basically, the WS Cube Tech offers a comprehensive digital marketing course. It's a digital marketing mentorship program. So basically, it's a job ready program, and they are claiming as 4.9 rating on the Google, and they have 20,000 plus aspirants mentored, and they have 11 plus industry mentors as well. So basically, this course is an online program, and it's an online program, and it covers. If I talk about the curriculum, let's go towards it. So in their module, they have cohort-based learning, and so this is the curriculum for this course. They have covering all of the essentials like the SEO, website creation, market research, website and SEO, SMM, influencer marketing, performance marketing, marketing automation, and AI. Everything that should be there in an ideal course, you know. So they offer both online and the live classes. So now I'm coming to their curriculum. So in their curriculum, they are covering all of the essential modules like the market research, fundamentals, website creation, social media marketing, influencer marketing, performance marketing, SEO, and the marketing automation and AI. So basically, this course has the all of the modules which should be there in an ideal course, right? But they are missing with the Gen AI and the generative engine optimization, which are the essential topics in 2025, and another AI tool automations. So the this now I'm coming now if I talk about the delivery, so they offer both online and the live classes via Zoom and the offline centers in cities like Jodhpur, Jaipur, and Delhi. The online classes are interactive, including the live Q&A sessions. You can even see it here. This is particularly online. So the live session is for 120 plus hours. The project they are including is 21 plus. And so the students, the next cohort is starting from the 25th of August, and they have also running a special discount for 25, 20,000 for, and they're even running a special discount for 20,000 off for a last few seats, right? And the total program fee is somewhere 55,000 plus taxes. And the students will also get an access to recorded lectures, lifetime access, and the doubt support, which is great if you are juggling a job or a college, right? Basically, this course is built around the practical implementation. You get to work on the live projects and the case studies, demo websites, and they even help you with domain and hosting support for practice. So it's a plus point here in their course, right? Because even they have mentioned it here, and they have even mentioned it here, learn live classes and the self-paced, practice, ask, build. So this is their funnel. So now So basically, this hands-on model make it very useful for the freelancers and the beginners trying to build a portfolio. Now you will receive a certification. Let's come to the certification part. So you will receive a certificate from WsCube Tech after after course completion, and some modules may include certification from tools like Google or HubSpot. So these are industry recognized certificates, and they even stand out job in a market, right? And your passport to a career growth. They have mentioned it here. And however, keep in mind, these are non-university certificates and more suitable for freelance gigs or the startup roles. And now if I talk about the fees, so the course fee is somewhere around 29,500 if I'm not wrong. Let's Now if I talk about the course duration, it ranges from 3 to 5 months, and you can even choose the pace that works best for you. Now if I talk about the trainers, so they are the industry experts and they hold over 10 years of experience, and the platform gets decent rating for the instructor engagement as well. So you also get resume building, interview preparation, and the placement assistance with some alumni reportedly working in companies like Wipro, Flipkart, and Cognizant. Now let's talk about the honest verdict. If I come over it, then the course curriculum and relevance is somewhere nice, but it lacks the Gen AI and the generative AI. So I will give it 0.5, and the certification and recognition is good, and they are even covering Google and HubSpot, so it is one. The mode of learning is completely online, but if I talk about the offline centers, then you can check with their concerned person, so I will give it one. The trainer's expertise and the industry experience is again very good. I will rate it one. The knowledge of tools and access is they are providing everything like the Google Ads, analytics, and all, but the Gen AI is missing from it, then I will give it 0.5. The placement support and the career guidance, they have not talked about placement guarantee and the money back guarantee. I will rate it 0.5 only. The course duration and the fee structure is quite affordable, and the duration is also somewhere good. I will I will give it one. And the after course support is also good because they are even providing you the lifetime access to the recordings and flexible doubt support. I will give it one. And the reviews and the reputation of institute is they have even 4.2 plus rating on the Google. They even have some mixed feedbacks on the certification delay and content depth, but I will give it one again. So the hand now if I talk about the hands-on learning and the practical exposure, they includes the live projects, domain and hosting setup and all. I will give it one. Now the overall score becomes 8.5 out of 10, which is not a bad rating which is not a bad rating, and this course might be suitable for the college students, freshers, freelancers, and the job seekers who are looking to enter in the digital marketing space on a budget. So WsCube Tech offers value for money, hands-on learning, and the flexible options. But if you are aiming for the high But if you're aiming for the high paying job roles or the vacancies jobs, and you might want to combine it with a more advanced option, I have linked the I have linked the course in my description box. You can check it out as well. This comes with a 100% money back guarantee and the placement guarantee as well. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you like this video. And if you have any doubts regarding to the course, then you can definitely drop them in the then you can definitely drop them into the comment section. I will reply them one by one, and I will see you in the next video with another institute review. And thanks for watching.